Quiz platter. A platter full of knowledge. Indira Gandhi. Quiz. When and where was Indira Gandhi born? Answer C. 1917, Prayagraj. Who was Indira Gandhi's father? Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which college did Indira Gandhi attend in India? Answer B. Visva Bharati University. In which year did Indira Gandhi marry Feroz Gandhi? Answer D. 1942. Indira Gandhi's son, who later became Prime Minister, is Answer D. Rajiv Gandhi. When did Indira Gandhi first become Prime Minister of India? Answer A. 1966. Which political party did Indira Gandhi belong to? Answer D. Congress. Which economic policy is Indira Gandhi known for? Answer B. Nationalization of banks. Which program under Indira Gandhi boosted egg production? Answer B. Silver Revolution. In which war did India help Bangladesh gain independence? Answer A. Indo-Pak War, 1971. Under Indira Gandhi's leadership, how long did the 1971 war last? Answer C. 13 days. Which popular nickname was Indira Gandhi known by? Answer A. Iron Lady of India. When did Indira Gandhi declare the national emergency in India? Answer C. 1975. Who succeeded Indira Gandhi as PM after 1977 elections? Answer C. Morarji Desai. For how many years in total did Indira Gandhi serve as India's Prime Minister? Answer D. 15 years. Indira Gandhi was known for her style of leadership as Answer B. Authoritative and strong. Which 1984 operation by Indira Gandhi caused unrest? Answer A. Operation Blue Star. In which year was Indira Gandhi assassinated? Answer D. 1984. Who assassinated Indira Gandhi? Answer C. Satwant Singh and Bant Singh. In which year was Indira Gandhi awarded the Bharat Ratna? Answer B. 1971. Quiz Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment.